How to fix due to local regulations, this content is restricted on X. So if you want to fix due to local restrictions or regulations, this content is restricted on X, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your X application. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Now here you need to go with the top left, which has that profile icon, and then go with settings and support and tap on settings and privacy. Once you're on your settings and privacy, you need to scroll down a bit, and then here you will have all of these options. You need to go with privacy and safety. Under privacy and safety, go with content UC, and then you will have your location option under your explore settings. Tap on explore, and then you will have your location. So go and turn on your location, go back, and then go with search settings. Under search settings, here you will have two options, which is hide sensitive content and remove blocked and unmuted accounts. Go and toggle on these two options. Now go with sensitive media. Here you need to just simply go with the graphic violence and then go with show all. Go back and then go with adult content and go with show all. Make sure that all of the options are selected to show all. Once done, you need to go back, and then if you scroll down, then you will have your location information. Tap on it, and then here you will have personalize based on precise location. So you just need to simply go and turn this option on. You need to turn on your location, and after that you can go back and restart your X and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.